In this video, I'll show you how to colorize black and white photos with just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First, I'll open the Canva website and select a canvas to get started. Next, I'll head to the Elements tab and search for a black and white picture to demonstrate this tutorial. Once I've selected an image, I'll navigate to the Apps section on the left panel and search for the Colorize app. Once I find it, I'll click on Open. Then tap on the Colorize and Replace option. This starts the colorization process. This tells me the colorized picture has been uploaded to the media library. Let's check it out.
Damn!
Unfortunately, it seems the tool didn't work on this image. Let's try again with a different picture. This time, I'll set the image as the background before selecting the Colorize app from the side panel. The app processes the picture and successfully colorizes it. Setting the image as a background seems to give better results, so I'll try the same with the previous picture. There's another app you can use called Colorize. To try this, go to the Apps section, search for Colorize, and ensure your image is selected. Then click on Colorize and Replace to start the process. And there you have it. Using Canva's Colorize and Colorize apps, you can easily add vibrant colors to your black and white photos. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.